Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD for Monday, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other currency pairs like Euro, USD, Pound, USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of NZD USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that the chart looks kind of messy here, going up, then coming down. This chart looks messy, and I have also got 3 lines drawn here on the chart, so do not get confused. I'll be explaining them one by one. So let's do the analysis first. So what do you think the overall trend of the market is? So if I zoom out, okay, after zooming out the chart, then we can clearly see that overall trend of the market is towards the downside. There is no doubt that this market is kinda going down. But if I zoom in, okay, then we can see that overall trend of the market may be towards the downside, but we will not trade for 5 days, 10 days. Our trades do not last for 10 to 15 days. Okay, our trades hardly last for a couple of hours to 1 day or 2 days max. Therefore, if we focus on this particular portion of the chart or the present trend of the market, then we can see that market is forming higher highs and lower highs here, higher lows here. So this is an indication that yes, overall trend of the market may be towards the downside, but right now this market is under the influence of buyers. So this market is right now in an uptrend. So considering the present trend of the market, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. As we all know, the thumb rule of the market says follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is in uptrend, we should look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should look for shorting opportunities. And this market right now is in uptrend, therefore we will mainly look for buying opportunities. Clear? As I have already spoken on my hundreds and hundreds of videos about this AOV. AOV means area of value, or the best trading opportunity. As I always say, before executing any order, we should always try to ask ourselves whether are we trading on the area of value or not, or have we found the area of value or not. Area of value means the base trading opportunity. Just keep in mind always that in an uptrend market, okay, the best trading opportunity or the best buying opportunity is always near the support. And in the downtrend market, if a market is falling, then the best trading opportunity is always near the resistance. And right now you can see that this market is going up. Right now this market is going up, and you can see that if we join these price levels, then we can get a trend line here, and this trend line is acting as a dynamic support for the market. So my dear friends, I will request you to draw these lines in your trading platform or charting platform, so that you can also do proper analysis, so that you can also understand the market better and trade better. So first of all, we have a trend line in the form of a support for the market. So your first trading opportunity will be, let the market open on Monday, and after the market opening, just observe the price and see how the price is doing. If you see price coming down, and taking support here, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this trend line is a valid support. And once market bounces, you can easily go for buy order. And how you'll get the confirmation? You will get the confirmation in the form of a hammer candlestick pattern like this, price rejection from below like this, or a green candle like this. Once you get the confirmation that yes, market is respecting this trend line as a valid support, you can go for a buy here at the support. So this is your first trading opportunity. Clear? And your second trading opportunity is this level, 0.6920. You can see that I have given a special respect to this line by mentioning the value here. See, this line is important because this is your second support, S2. If I zoom out the chart, then you can see that when market was facing severe selling pressure, this was the level. Okay, this was the level that provided support to the market, and on different occasions, whenever market faced severe selling pressure, this was the level that provided support to the market. Therefore, on the chart of NZDUSD, you must know it very well that 0.6920 is the strongest support available, and therefore this line or this level should be marked in your charting platform as well. So in case market fails to hold this trend line and comes down, then you'll get the next buying opportunity at this level 0.6920. And when market will bounce from here, just go for a buy order at this level. So my dear friends, this is your second trading opportunity. So first trading opportunity is this trend line. So in case market fails to bounce from here and comes down, you can go for buy at this level, because this level is a strong support for the market. Or on the other hand, if market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here only, and you miss the opportunity, then you can see that market is also respecting this trend line above as a dynamic resistance for the market. Okay, so in this case, or in this scenario, when market will be reaching this trend line above, your duty as a trader is to observe the price and see how the price is doing. If you see, just like the previous times, market is struggling, price is struggling above at the trend line, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this trend line is a valid resistance for the market and you can short the market. But the max possibility is that market will be coming down and taking support and bounce from here. So this is your first trading opportunity to buy, this is your second trading opportunity to buy, and this trend line is your third opportunity to sell. Clear? And if we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. If we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, let's find NZDUSD. See here, you can see that 57% retail traders have taken short position and 42% retail traders have taken long position. So retail traders are also kind of confused. They are also not sure whether the market will be going up or going down. Generally, we get 70%, 30%, okay, 80-20, 70-30 ratio. But here you are seeing a ratio of 57 to 42, which clearly signifies that retail traders are also kind of confused whether the market will be going up or down. Therefore, you don't need to follow anything. Just use your proper analysis, trade wisely, trade safely, and just trade on the levels that I have just mentioned. Level 1, level 2 and level 3. Do not trade in the middle. This is your no trading zone. Do not chase the market. Let the price come to you. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again. Bye bye.